Samsung, one of the leading smartphone companies in the world, is making some big decisions that will have a significant impact on the company's future. The smartphone market is rapidly changing, and Samsung is having to adapt to stay ahead of the game. A few months ago, Samsung discontinued the Galaxy A74 smartphone. This device was not going to perform well in terms of sales, so Samsung made the decision to discontinue it and make way for a new phone with more potential, the Galaxy S23 FE. However, it now seems that Samsung has decided not to release the S23 FE after all. According to one of the most trusted leaksters in the industry, there is no Galaxy S23 FE in the development chain. This is in stark contrast to the rumors that have been circulating for some time. Instead, Samsung is focusing on improving its flagship products, the Z Fold 5 and the Flip 5, as well as introducing a new kind of folding smartphone, the Trifold Beast. Not everyone can afford to pay for the Galaxy S23 series, especially when you factor in the taxes and costs in certain countries. This is why the S23 FE was expected to make sense. It would have been a more affordable device with some impressive specs. The device was expected to give Google's upcoming Pixel 8 a run for its money. However, with the news that the S23 FE is not going to happen, it looks like Samsung is completely shifting its focus to the premium segment of the market. With the mention of a trifold beast in the works, Samsung is set to become the first company to bring a trifolding smartphone to the market. This is a significant move for the company, and it confirms that they are completely focused on the high-end, premium segment of the market. This is a price segment that sits even beyond the price tag of the Galaxy Z Fold 5. At the Mobile World Congress, Samsung showcased two types of trifolding smartphones. One had a smaller screen, while the other had a massive tablet-like form factor. This trifolding phone offers users the ultimate multitasking experience, as it provides three big smartphone-like displays where any application can be used. Users can do this in the flex mode or use it as a big main screen when it's completely unfolded. The Trifold Beast provides a unique experience with its trifolding design and large displays. Unlike the Z Fold 4, the media experience is not limited because it offers a proper tablet-like aspect ratio. This makes it an optimal device for watching movies, streaming videos, or even playing games. Users can fold it up and put it in their pocket, making it a convenient device for on-the-go use. In conclusion, while Samsung's decision to discontinue the S23 FE may disappoint some fans, the company's focus on high-end devices and the introduction of the Trifold Beast shows that it is moving towards bigger and more expensive devices. The Trifold Beast offers a unique experience with its trifolding design and large displays, making it a device worth looking forward to.